to my channel. I am Mounalees. Today we practice antonym words or opposite words. This is my sister. Her name is Punapoma.
Hello guys, I'm Purnapama. So let's start. Remember,
Forget,
like,
dislike,
love,
hate,
believe,
disbelieve,
real,
artificial,
easy,
hard,
rich,
poor,
regular,
irregular,
responsible,
irresponsible,
pure,
impure,
possible,
impossible,
sure,
doubtful,
right,
wrong,
miss,
catch,
strong, weak,
thank you,
industrious,
lazy,
friend,
foe,
kind, unkind,
thank you,
happy,
unhappy,
common,
uncommon,
comfortable,
uncomfortable,
favorable,
unfavorable,
yes, pleased,
I don't know,
displeased,
thank you,
sweet.
forward. Please like my video and subscribe, please. Bye.